Welcome all. In today's session, we will see how we can take the online exam by simply going into our school app and clicking the photos of the answer script that we will write and uploading in the link. For that, first you need to go log into your school app. Once you are done with it, go into the message. And there you will see the message of the exam. This will just come at the time of your exam. And once then, you just need to simply download the attached question paper like Maths PDF. So when you click on this Maths PDF, it will get downloaded. And once it downloaded, once you open it, you will get to see the question paper. Now, what you need to do is you have to solve the paper within the fixed time, and after that what you have to do is once you have written all your paper, you simply need to go to Google Play Store and download this Adobe Scan. Once you have downloaded this Adobe Scan, you just simply need to click on this Adobe Scan. The free sign up is available, so you just simply sign up with any of the available Google accounts in your phone or by default account. So I am selecting one of my Google account. Once it's done, it will ask for the permission to access your camera and all, and now you will be all set. So it's asking for me to allow for the camera, and once I have done that, it's showing me the answer script that I have written. Now by this way, I can simply click on the photos. I can even set the area for which I want to submit, and then it can simply click on the continue. And like this, you have again, suppose I have this my second paper. In the same way, this time also select the part for which you want to save it and click continue. Once you are done, you will see on the right hand bottom corner, two papers are selected. So you simply click on that. Here on the top, you will find to edit the name. I will write the answer script for the particular paper which I am appearing for. Answer sheet. I will keep the date as default and rename it. Once done, I will just simply make a save as or PDF, sorry. Once it's saved as PDF, so what I will do, click on this three dot next to more and just click on copy to device. So this will save the file in your system. Now you find under the screen recorder or any folder, if you want to select, you can select it, or you simply save it. Well, now you can see the message it's saved. So once done, you move back to your mobile app to submit this PDF file. Click on the given link, open it in any browser. If it's not signed in, it will ask for a sign in. and then click on next. Give the password. Click on next. And you will find your phone getting verified, and you will land up to this form where you simply need to fill the particular email ID for which you are signing in. After that, you need to give your admission number. Suppose, then need to select the class, need to select the section, need to write your name, same way, fill up the further information. And now from here, add the particular PDF file by clicking on add file. Click on the select file from device. It will ask for the file or from places where you want to attach the file. On the very top, you come to see the answer script. Select the answer script. Now you come to see it's got selected, and then click on this upload. After that, once the upload process is done, now click on the submit button. And once you are here and you see your response has been taken, then it's confirmed that your answer sheet has been submitted and your exam is over. That first, you need to check all the details of the form before submitting it. Second, you need to select the proper file or your marks may get deducted. Third, the response will be taken. After that, it will be inactive. Complete the paper within the given time. So, thank you for watching. All the best.